Hi, good morning. I'm Charlene Calayo. I'm 52 years old. I am a Bachelor in Office Administration graduate at Polytechnic University of the Philippines here in Santa Mesa, Manila. I have a knowledge in managing email, filing, sorting documents. I love using Canva, editing, and also I have fun interacting with Facebook, Messenger, TikTok, Zoom, and other social media platforms. I also have knowledge in handling customer service since I have worked in the call center industry for more than a year. At the same time, I have also knowledge in real estate because I've been an agent for more than 5 years. I sell properties, condominium, lot, house, and lot. With this, giving customer satisfaction is one of my priority. Hope this simple introduction of mine will give me the opportunity to work as a virtual assistant, and I am very much willing to learn more and will be more responsible in cooperating with the team in your company. I am looking forward for a favorable response. Thank you and God bless.